Hello everyone, I'm back with another art tutorial and today we'll be painting a lotus with watercolors. For the background first, we'll be doing a simple watercolor blend for which I'm making the surface wet first with a moist brush. Now I'm simply dabbing a shade of paint. This is a very dark shade of turquoise. If you do not have this shade ready-made, you can mix some dark green and dark blue. I'm also adding some dark green, as you can see, some pecks of dark violet as well. These colors will blend automatically if the surface is wet. If anyhow it becomes dry, you can always add more water to the surface. I'm carefully leaving space for the lotus petals. If you find it difficult, you can switch to a smaller brush size. Now towards the lower side, that is towards the leaves, I'll be doing a lighter colored area for which I'm using the shade light blue. And as you can see, there is a smooth transition from the darker area to the lighter area. This is just because of the wet watercolors. It might be difficult to do a transition if the surface is too dry, so it is always better to make the surface wet first. After the background dries up a little, I have started with the leaves and I'm using the shade light green. Towards the border of this leaf, I'll be using some darker and more pigmented shades like olive green. I'm leaving space for the second leaf and the stem of the lotus. Now I have a darker shade of green here with a size 4 brush. I'm just leaving some slanting strokes with this shade and I'm brushing over it so that it blends a little with the light green in the base. We do not want our shades to be very clear or it won't look natural. I added some more darker pigment towards the borders. And I'm doing the same towards the other side of the leaf as well. For the second leaf, the base I'm doing with a darker shade of green. I added more water to make it a little lighter and I'm using the same shade towards the borders. That is come to be a little darker. The rest of the area was lighter because we had used a lot more amount of water. Now towards the edges, leave space where the leaf is turning, and for the rest of the edges, I'm once again using a very dark shade of green. If you do not have a darker shade, you can mix some dark blue to the existing shade of green you have. Here now I'm using a size 0 detail brush to paint the veins of the leaves. So I'm using a comparatively darker shade than the base of the leaf, and with very light pressure on my hand, that is with very light strokes, I'm adding the veins. Make sure you are not putting a lot of pressure on your brush or the veins would not be very thin and accurate. You can also switch to a darker shade, which was the mixture of blue and green. Now for the stem, as the base, I'm using the same shade which we had used for the second leaf. And towards the edge, with once again a size 0 detail brush, I'm using a further more darker shade of green. Only towards the edge of this stem. Now for the lotus petal, the base is to be done with a light shade of pink. And while it is wet, just put a dark shade of pink towards the tip and wait for it to float towards the inside of the leaf. The main portion of this darker shade should be towards the tip and it should slowly, gradually come towards the inside of this leaf. make sure the light pink coat that you put should be wet so that the dark pink finds it easier to come towards the inside, and you can with your brush push it towards the inside. I'm doing one petal at a time so that the petals with the shadows and the pigments come to be accurate. I'm redoing the borders a little with the dark pink. Here you are with your lotus painting in watercolors. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Also, if you recreate this, you can send it to me on my Instagram handle, link for which is given in the description. Thank you for watching.